Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to see about how to search for mesh words. So this mesh terminology is always a beneficiary thing to a researcher because uh, many words are having a lot of synonyms. For example, if you take low back pain, it has many synonyms. It may be said as lumbago, lumbalgia, mechanical pain, low back pain, upper back pain, or back pain, or something like that. So a lot of synonymous words are there. So whenever we are searching, our search is very specific to the keyword what we are using. So when you are using a particular type of keywords, the same condition may have been reported as another name, like low back pain may be reported in some other valuable research as lumbago or mechanical back pain, like that. So we may miss out on those things when we are searching as low back pain, and it is very impossible for us to search with all the existing names in a single search. So what we use is this mesh database. If you go into PubMed, most of us will not read anything else. We will just type whatever we need and we'll go for a search here, right? Whereas when you scroll down, this is a new PubMed. When you scroll down, you have something called as mesh database. So just click onto this mesh database. This will take you to a screen like this. Here you can type low back pain. Okay, so when I type low back pain and search, it will give me a list of things which are concerned with low back pain. Just leave out this, you come here. So this term, mesh term, includes back pain, a variety of things. See, back pain, low back pain, pain low back, all these things, lumbago, everything is included here in your one single search. So low back ache, see, a lot of variety of words are being used around the world for specifying low back pain by various researchers around the globe. Okay, so now what I want to search in low back pain, if I want to search about rehabilitation. Okay, so this is rehabilitation. I want to search only about how to rehabilitate from low back pain. So the low back pain where I have included the mesh terminology includes everything here. So I'll go and add it to my search builder. Okay, if I want to know something else also, for example, if I want to know therapy, okay, so therapy, once I include therapy, again I'll go and add it into the builder, or you can click both onto this and add to the search builder initially. So now I have low back pain rehabilitation, which is a mesh terminology. That means it includes everything. Low back pain bar therapy, which is also mesh terminology. So for truncation, previously we have been using this asterisk, brackets, and all those things that has given way, and now most of the researchers use only mesh terminologies to search for. Now if I click on to search PubMed, I'll be getting all the research which are done on low back pain mesh terminology concerned with rehabilitation and therapy. So here, if I want to narrow down my search, I can use whichever articles which are published in the last 1 year. Okay, so I am getting this many articles. Only 28 articles have been done in the last 1 year on this particular mesh terminology. And if I want to know only about the clinical trials, I can click onto this clinical trials. This is how I use the limits. Only 7 recognized clinical trials have been published here. So if I want to know about the systematic reviews, there are only 5 systematic reviews in this. If I also click the meta-analysis, so there are 5 to 6 meta-analysis. So your search has been very precise now. If you want to search anything on therapy and rehabilitation concerned with low back pain in the last 1 year, you can search like this. You have to put the mesh terminology first, then you have to include that in the search, and then once the result has come, you can apply your limits and you can go into the crisp 6 articles which have been published in the last 1 year about low back pain, therapy, and rehabilitation. This helps you in building up your evidence for your practice day to day. Thank you.